Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials, an active Apple developer account and a current backup. Once backed up, make sure your iPhone XR has over 50% battery, Wi-Fi, and ample free storage. Next, sign into Developer. Apple, com with your Apple ID and enroll the device under Devices or Profiles. You will download the iOS 26 Developer Beta Configuration Profile to your XR. After you install the profile, reboot the phone. This primes settings to show the beta update option, so you can continue to the next step. Once the profile is installed and the XR has restarted, open Settings and navigate to General Software Update. You should now see iOS 26 Developer Beta available. Tap Download and Install, and be patient during the download. Large builds can take 15–45 minutes depending on your connection. Make sure you are on a stable Wi-Fi network and keep the phone plugged into power. While installing, the device will reboot multiple times. Don't interrupt the process. If prompted, enter your passcode and agree to the new terms to proceed. After installation finishes, follow the on-screen setup prompts and sign back into iCloud and Apple services. Make sure your essential apps open and verify privacy permissions. Some apps need updates for iOS 26 compatibility. If the update fails or the device gets stuck on boot, remove the developer profile in Settings, reboot the XR, reinstall the profile, and retry the update. As a key troubleshooting tip, keep your encrypted backup until you confirm stability and file issues through Feedback Assistant, so Apple can address regressions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.